Yeah, so this is stinking toe. Stinking toe. That's the tree, the leaves of the tree. That's it. Wow. So beautiful. I've always heard of the tree and eat the fruit, but I never see it before. I don't remember. Stinking toe tree. I hope you can see. Yeah? Maybe about 100 years. Check out the trunk of the tree. So this is stinking toe. Yeah? Especially with the duck hands now. Okay. So that's that. You gotta respect this tree, man. So this is stinking toe. So this is it. Wild locust. That's a stinking toe tree. Yeah. So that's stinking toe right there. That's still from the tree. A long time I didn't eat it. Man, you're the best. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching.